Hi, boys and girls. Well, today we're going to be looking at a book that's called Leaves, Leaves, Leaves. And I know I need to say these words pretty excited because at the end of them, there's an exclamation mark. So these words mean that they're pretty excited about these leaves. I noticed that these leaves are of certain colors. Can you see the colors they are? You're right. I see red, orange, brown, yellow, and just the odd green one. So when I see lots of leaves that are brown, orange, red, and yellow, I know that it is probably what season? You're right, fall. Now this story is written and illustrated by Nancy Elizabeth Wallace. So she wrote the words, being the author, and she illustrated, means she's doing the pictures. I think she did a good job doing those pictures. And it looks like she used a technique called collage. Here's my title page. Leaves, leaves, leaves. I see a scientific tool here. Does anybody know what the name of that scientific tool is? You're right, a magnifying glass. And I see a Ziploc bag, some pencils, and some note paper. I think someone's going to be doing an investigation. Spring! It's spring, said Mama. Would you like to go for a leaf walk, Buddy Bear? Yeah, said Buddy. I like to find leaves. Well, we know it's spring, so what color are the leaves most likely to be? Let's take a look. The early spring air felt warm. The earth was cool and damp. Hey, where are the leaves, Mama? Asked Buddy. Mama tugged gently on a branch. Look carefully. What do you see? I see bumps. Those are buds, said Mama. Buddy touched a bud. We know what buds are. We did that in our apple unit. Tightly wrapped up. The new leaves are folded up very tightly inside. The bud scales protect the leaves. When the bud scales open, the young leaves will start to unfold. Like this? Asked Buddy. He's all tightly crunched up and then he spreads out like a leaf coming out of a bud. Yes, my little bud. They walked further on and the sun felt warm and nice. Definitely doing an investigation and checking out those leaves in the spring. Buddy picked a leaf. What do you see? Mama asked. I see this flat part. That's the blade. I see lines. Those are the veins. The part I'm holding is the stem, said Buddy. Oh, so he already knew that one. Good job, Buddy. How do leaves know when it's time to come out, Mama? It's spring. The daylight hours are growing longer. The spring rain has been falling. The weather is getting warmer. It's time for the leaves to come out and start making food for the trees, she answered. Food? I'm hungry too, Buddy said. We know that the leaves make food for the trees in a process called photosynthesis. They ate crackers and drank juice. Mama, what did the big leaf say to the little leaf? I don't know. What did the big leaf say to the little leaf? Don't leave me! Ah! Slapstick. Summer. It's summer, said Mama. Would you like to go on another walk, Buddy Bear? Yes, said Buddy. I want to find lots of leaves. Now they're going off to the summer. The summer air felt hot. Mama and Buddy put down their blanket at the edge of the woods. Mama, go look for some leaves, and I'll look for some too, said Buddy. First, they spread Buddy's leaves out on the blanket. "What do you see?" asked Mama. "I see shapes," said Buddy. "One looks like a star. I see one that looks like a heart. There's one that's a round and a skinny one that looks like a feather. One leaf looks like a mitten and one looks like a fan." Do you see the shapes he's talking about? The mitten, the fan, the star, the feather, the heart, and the round one? Just like when we looked at flowers that had different shapes, so too do the leaves. "Leaves have different edges too, Buddy," said Mama. "Look at mine. Do you see a leaf that is jagged? One that has an edge like a saw?" "Yeah," said Buddy. "And I see a wavy one and one that is smooth." So they have different edges around them. "I'm still looking," said Buddy. "All of the leaves have something that's the same." "What's that, Buddy?" "What have all of those leaves got that has been the same?" "They're all green." "Why are they all green, Mama?" "They're green because of chlorophyll." "Chloral what?" asked Buddy. Mama started to draw a picture on Buddy's drawing pad. She explained, "It's a chemical in the leaves in the spring and in the summer. Chlorophyll helps the leaves turn the sunlight and the rain and part of the air and nutrients from the soil into food for the plants." "How?" asked Buddy. "Well, when we breathe out a gas called carbon dioxide. The tree takes this gas in through teeny tiny openings in its leaves." Buddy breathed into his paw. He looked. "I don't see any carbon dioxide." "You're right," said Mama. "It's invisible." Mama kept drawing. Buddy helped. "Rainwater and nutrients travel up from the earth into the roots, up the trunk, through the branches, through the stems, and into the leaves. The sun shines on the leaves, the chlorophyll in the leaves, and the water and nutrients that come from the earth, and the carbon dioxide that comes from the air make the food that travels to all of the parts of the tree." "The leaves are making food? I'm hungry," said Buddy. We can see their scientific drawing. They did a good job drawing. What would make it even better is if they used labels. They ate berries and they drank lemonade. "I'm a leaf, Mama. I'm sucking the water and nutrients out." "Mama." "Yes, Buddy." What did the tree take on vacation?" I don't know, Buddy. What did the tree take on vacation?" "A trunk." Slapstick. Buddy laughed. A trunk is a big type of suitcase. Fall. "It's fall," said Mama. "Would you like to take another walk and collect leaves, Buddy Bear?" "I like collecting leaves," said Buddy. Oh, we know he's riding his bicycle, by being two, so two wheels. The air was cool and crisp. The leaves crunched under their feet. Buddy yelled, "Red, orange, yellow leaves!" "Why did the leaves change, Mama?" "In the fall, there are fewer daylight hours, so there is less sunlight. The ground and air are colder. The chlorophyll that makes the leaves green is disappearing. The yellow and orange that have been there all the time can now be seen." "Oh, what about red?" asked Buddy. "The red is made from leftover food in the leaves," explained Mama. Wow, Mama's really smart. "Hold my hands, Buddy Bear," said Mama. "I am the tree and you are the leaf. When the leaves are new and young, they are connected to the tree. In spring and summer, in the wind and the rain. By fall, the leaves are old They have done their job. Now, Leaf, hold on just by one finger. What will happen, Leaf, when it rains and when the wind blows? I'm gonna fall, shouted Buddy. I think that's why the season is called fall, Mama. I'm hungry. Let's eat. Well, he certainly has a lot of snacks on these trips, doesn't he? I like the way they explained how it holds on tight in the first part of the year, and then in the fall, it's only holding on by a very weak part. They sat on a rock and ate apples and drank apple juice. Mama! Here we go again, guys. Yes, Buddy. What has bark but no bite? Buddy, I'm not sure. What has bark and no bite? A tree! Slapstick! Winter. It's winter, said Mama Bear. Let's go for a leaf walk, shouted Buddy. Wow, we can definitely tell it's winter. There's a big clue here. What's the big clue? You're right. There's snow. The winter air was cold and dry. The earth was covered with snow. High up in the tree, a few pale brown leaves still managed to hang on. They rustled in the wind. Hey, the leaves are almost gone, Mama. The trees are resting, said Mama. In their roots, food is stored for the winter. The leaves that fell in the fall are now under the snow. Buddy found a leaf. Hey, look, Mama. This leaf has brown veins and lots of holes. Yes, Buddy. The leaves are rotting. The food that's left in them is changing into rich earth that will feed the trees and plants through their roots. Hey, we know the scientific word for trees that are resting. Remember, it began with a D. Dormant. So they were sleeping. And we know the scientific word for rotting, too. It also begins with a D. Decomposing. Mama pulled gently on a branch. What do you see? Buds! Shouted Buddy. Yes, my winter buddy. They're waiting for spring. It's getting cold. Let's go inside. And I'm getting hungry, said Buddy. Let's go eat. Mama and Buddy ate some soup. Mama. Yes, Buddy. What did the tree say to the bear cub in winter? I don't know. What did the bear cub say? What did the tree say to the bear cub in winter? I'm bear and you're bear. Mother chuckled. Then, while the trees rested, Mama and Buddy rested too. And then here is a sideways picture explaining about leaves being a food factory for the trees. We're going to talk about that further down too. So leaves definitely help those trees by providing a way to make food for the tree so it may grow and continue to live. And also, trees take in that carbon dioxide, that bad air that we breathe out, and they turn it into oxygen so that we have fresh air. So guess what? More trees, more oxygen, more fresh air for us. So next time you see a tree, thank you, tree. Thank you for helping me be able to breathe.